Okay. Next question. Approximately 500 milliliters of Ketul honey was required to serve curd to 10 guests. Estimate the amount Ketul honey that required to serve curd to 15 guests. Can you get? Then first one, 500 milliliters required. How many guests? 10 guests required honey amount. How much milliliters need Ketul honey?
500 milliliters.
500 milliliters. Then can you tell me one guest? One guest required honey amount. Can you tell me?
50 milliliters.
50 milliliters. Then can you estimate 15 guests? 15 guests required honey amount. 50 milliliters multiplied by 15. 15. Then can you get the answer?
750 milliliters.
Yeah, 750 milliliters. Okay. After you finish the writing, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Okay. Janya, are you finished?
Last answer.
Okay. Okay. I'm giving time for you to do this question. After you finish, raise hand. Okay. I'm going to do. There is approximately 650 milliliters of king coconut water in 1 king coconut tabili. Accordingly, estimate the amount of king coconut water in the water there is in a bunch of 10 fruits in terms of liters and milliliters. Then 1 coconut, 1 king coconut. How much king coconut water in 1 king coconut fruit?
650 milliliters.
650 milliliters. And asking 10 fruits. 10 fruits included water. 650 milliliters multiplied by which number?
10.
10. Then 6,500 milliliters. Can you tell me it in liters and milliliters?
6 liters and 500 milliliters.
Yeah, 6 liters and 500 milliliters. Okay. Hasali, I finished the getting answer. After you finish, raise hand. Okay. Next we have to do the solid. Oh, yes.
Me, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Sir, මේ මගේ උත්තරේ වෙන එකක් සර් මම සර්ගේ උත්තරේ දෙන්නේ ලියන්න.
පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. හරි.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we have to start the 18 lesson solids, but today I think it should not be to continue because you have to get the after the next lesson you have to any Bristol board, okay, for the creating the solids. So Bristol board. Next later week we need this, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh,
Sir, පාඩමේ මේ අංකය 17.
oh 17 තමයි මේ solids එක. මේ මට මේ ටික තමයි මේ ඕනේ next week, okay. හරි. සීසර් ටිකයි සීසර් එකකුයි ඊට පස්සේ glue ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ sellotapes and CR paper එකක් ඕනේ. හරි. square rule දන්නව නේද? square rule වල කොටු rule කියන්නේ. square rule CR paper එකක් ඕනේ. paper කියන්නේ paper 4ක් තියෙන එකට නේද? pages අන්න එකක්. ඔය ටික ඕනේ. හරි. අපි මේ ටික after next week or after the next week, later next week you need this, okay. Can you collect these? පුළුවන් නේද?
Yes, sir.
හරි. අපි පන්ති වෙලේ solids ටික හදමු, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Oh yes.
ලොකු බ්‍රීසිල් බෝඩ් එකක්ද නැත්නම් පොඩි එකක්ද?
සාමාන්‍ය size එකක් ඇති වෙයි, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. අපි ඊළඟ lesson එකට අද යමු ඉන්න, හරි. 18th lesson එක. Write down the algebraic symbols. lesson 18.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
algebraic වලට algebraic කියලා කියනවාද?
ඔව්. ඒකම දෙකම කියනවා. අපි කියනවා algebra කියලාත් කියනවා. Okay? හරි. අපිට එක එක නම් පාවිච්චි කරනවා. හරි. sub topic එකක් ලියා ගන්න. known and unknown constants. Okay. Known and unknown constants. Okay. Now I am make a table. Known constants, unknown constant. Known constants and unknown constants. Okay. Can you tell me any known constant? මම එකක් කියන්න. හරි. Number of months in a year. Number of months in a year. Do you know how many months in a year?
Yes, sir.
How much?
12 months.
12 months. You know it, neda? Okay. Then I am getting another unknown constant. Okay. Number of letters in grade 6 science book. Do you know how many letters in grade 6 science book? Did you count it?
No.
No. It's unknown constant. Can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'm taking another non-constant example. Okay. Then I'm taking it by measurements. Okay. Number of millimeters in 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Can you take number of millimeters in 1 centimeter? සෙන්ටිමීටරයක් ඇතුලේ මිලිමීටර් කීයක් තියෙනවද? Number of millimeters in 1 centimeter. Can you take your ruler and count the small these notches? Okay. ඔයාලගේ මේ තියෙන රූලර් එකකින් ගණන් කරන්න පුළුවන් සෙන්ටිමීටරයක් ඇතුලේ කීයක් තියනවද? 10ද?
10 millimeters.
Yes, 10 millimeters. It's non-constant නේද? Can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am getting another example for the unknown terms, unknown constants. Okay. Then I am getting number of words in your Sinhala book. Did you count how many words in your Sinhala book?
No, sir.
No. It's unknown constant. Okay. Then I'm taking another example for the non-constant. Can you tell me? Can you get any example? How many minutes in 1 hour?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Okay. Next we can convert into the constant number of minutes per 1 hour. Okay. Do you know the answer for it? Do you know? ඔයාලා දන්නවද ඒකට answer එක?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much?
60 minutes.
Okay. හරි. Okay. ඔයාලා write down කරගන්නකො මේ examples ටික. Can you write down it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give another example for unknown constants. Number of insects in world. Can you get the number of insects? Romeo කියන්නේ insects ලා ඉන්න ගාන අපිට ගණන් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද ලෝකේ? Can you count it?
Mm.
It's an unknown constant. Okay. Write down these examples. After you finish, raise hand.
Music.
After you finish, raise hand. Yatapana, are you finished?
No, sir.
Okay, after you finish, raise hand. Okay. From your textbook exercise, now you have to fill in these blanks. Write down the second column, the following table, whether each of expression given in the table state it's non-constant or it's unknown constant. In the third column, write down its value by digits. It is non-constant and a suitable algebraic symbol for it, an unknown constant. Okay. Then the number of days in January. Do you know how many? How many days in January?
31.
31. It's known or unknown?
known. Known.
known. එහෙනම් අපි දන්නවනේ නේද? It's known. Okay. known නම් what is? known constant එකක්. Then it's 31. Okay. Can you fill the others? Number of books in Nimal's school bag. Do you know? නිමල් කියලා කෙනෙක් ඔයාලා දන්නවද?
No.
No. එහෙනම් it's a what type of constant?
Unknown constant.
Unknown constant. Unknown. If it's unknown, what is? And a suitable algebraic symbol, it is an unknown constant. අපිට unknown constant එකක් නම් ඒකට suitable algebraic symbol එකක් use කරන්න කියනවා. මම මෙතනදී x y z simple a b c වගේ symbols ඔයාලට use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then what is that? We can use x. Okay. It's x is, do you know? It's unknown. We don't know what is the value of this constant. Okay. It's x. හරි. අපිට x y z වගේ මේ symbols වලින් use කරන්න පුළුවන් unknown term එකක් නම්. Okay. Third one මොකක්ද? The number of milliliters in 1 liter. Do you know? Number of milliliters in 1 liter.
1000 milliliters.
1000. It's known or unknown?
Known.
Known. නේද? It's known. Okay. Known නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? Do you have to fill in the third column its value? If it's unknown, you have to use a symbol x, y, z, a, b, c likewise. Okay.
සර් අපිට මේකේ unknown එකට කැමති algebraic symbol එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් simple ලකුණක්.
Oh, what a tiny simple any letter you can use. A, B, A to Z में use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Okay. Okay. After you finish the getting answer, raise hand. Dinara, Onari, they finish raise hand. Dinara, I finish.
Last one, sir.
Okay. Okay. The number of milliliters in 1 liter, it's known, it's 1000. Number of words in the grade 6 mathematics book, it's known, no unknown.
Unknown.
Yes, unknown. We can use any, what is algebraic symbol. I am using it as y. The number of times you took a breath yesterday. Do you know how many times you breathed yesterday? ඔයාලා දන්නවද ඊයේ ඔයාලා කොච්චර පාරක් හුස්ම ගත්තද කියලා? No, it's unknown, is it?
Yes, sir.
It's unknown. You can use it as a symbol. Okay. I think you are finished. Okay. Write down the constants and variables. Constants and variables. Write down another table. It has two columns. First column is constants. And second column is variables. First example for the constant, number of days. Number of days. Days per week. Do you know how much? Number of days per week?
7 days.
Yes, 7 days. Your school bus. Speed. Is it a constant? It's not a constant because the school bus sometimes moving fast and sometimes moving it's slow, neither. It's a variable speed. Okay. Number of meters. Number of meters in 1 kilometer. Kilometers. Do you know number of meter in 1 kilometer?
1000 meters.
Yes, 1000 meters. Okay. Do you know your home has an electricity meter? Do you know? ඔයාලා electricity meter එකක් තියනවා නේද ගෙදර? Electricity meter. හරි? Moving speed. Is it a constant? ඔයාලා ගෙදර light ගොඩාක් දැම්මම මේක වේගෙන් කැරගෙනව නේද? It's moving fast when turn on many bulbs and many equipment, electric equipment. Okay, it's a variable. Okay. Then can you tell me another example? ඔයාලට කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? For constants. Can you tell me? Number of grams?
Fingers in a hand.
It's a variable. Do you know there are 6
Number of fingers in a human hand.
human hand එක වෙනස් වෙනවා නේද? Did you see some humans has 6 fingers? Did you ඔයාලා දැකලා නැද්ද? ඇඟිලි 6ක් තියෙන හැම ඉන්නවා. හරි?
The number of months in year.
Yes, number of months in year. හරි? අපිට අර human කියන එකේ කියන්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙම. Number of fingers in regular human. Okay. Regular human කෙනෙක්ගේ කීයක් තියෙනවද එක හැතක? One hand. There are 5 fingers in a regular human. Okay. අර සමහර අයගේ තියෙනවා මෙතන මහපට ඇඟිල්ල ගාවේ නේද? 6 fingers. Number of months in year. Can you tell me variable? What is?
Number of days in 1 year.
It's a variable. We take it's 365. Okay. අපිට තව කියන්න පුළුවන් price of sugar or any item. Price of sugar in market. It's a variable. Yes, it's variable. It's a constant. No, it's not a constant because it's varying day to day. Okay. The number of months year. Then we can tell another constant නම් ඕන තරම් තියෙනවා නේද?
The number of grams in 1 kilogram.
Yes, number of grams
In 1 kilogram.
in 1 kilogram. Okay. Variable, can you tell me variable? Number of students in our school. It's varying නේද? සමහර අය අයින් වෙලා යනවා, සමහර අය එදාට එන්නේ නැහැ නේද? It's a variable. Okay. Write down these examples. Can you identify now it's a variable or constant? After you finish, raise hand. Dinara, Onari, after you finish, raise hand. Yeah, exercise 18.2. Write down whether each of following is a constant value or variable. Can you get the number of players in a netball team? It's a constant or variable?
Constant.
Yes, it's a constant. Constant. Number of bananas in the first comb of a cluster of banana. මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? Cluster of bananas. කෙහෙල් ඇවරියක තියෙන කෙහෙල් ගෙඩි ගන්න. හරි? මොකද වෙන්නේ? It's a variable or constant. Hmm? It's a constant or variable. It's a variable. වෙනස් වෙනව නේද? හරි? It's a variable. Okay. Fill the other blanks. You can identify it's a constant or variable. Can you identify it? Okay, I will give the time for you. Read carefully and understand it's a constant or variable. දිනාර කීවෙනි එකද කරන්නේ?
10 වෙනි එක සර්.
Okay. Then third one, what is the answer for the third one? The time taken for a jet to travel from Katunayaka International Airport to the New Delhi Airport. It's a variable time or constant time? Jet එකට වේගෙන් යන්න පුළුවන්, හෙමින් යන්න පුළුවන් නේද? It's a variable ද constant ද?
Variable.
It's a variable because jet can go faster or it's a slower. Okay. Fourth one, the number of sides of a square. It's a constant or?
Constant.
Yes, it's a constant because the square has only 4 sides. Fifth one, number of centimeters in a meter.
Constant.
Yes, number of centimeters in a meter, it's 100. It's a constant. Number of limes in a 1 kilogram of limes. It's a variable or constant? Variable. Yes, it's a variable. අපි ලයිම් කියන්නේ දෙහි ගෙඩි කියන්නේ කිලෝග්‍රෑම් එකක තියෙන දෙහි ගෙඩි ගාන වැඩි වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් අඩු වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් නේද? පොඩි ගෙඩි නම් ගොඩක් වෙනවා නේද? The distance traveled by a vehicle on the distance traveled by a vehicle on a liter of petrol. Vehicle එකකින් how much distance we can travel by a vehicle? It's a variable නේද? Vehicle. It's a variable. Some motorcycle can go about 50-70 kilometers per liter, but some vehicles can travel only 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, about 20 kilometers per liter. It's a variable to vehicle to vehicle. Okay. 8 time, the time taken by a student of travel from home to school. Some students can walk faster and other students walk slower. So its time is constant or variable?
Variable.
It's a variable. Daily rainfall. Do you have rainfall today? දැන් වහිනවද?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, what is the rainfall? About rainfall?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
heavy or lighter?
Lighter.
Lighter. It's the daily rainfall. It's a constant or variable?
Variable.
Yes, it's a variable. The price of 1 pound of gold in rupees. 1 pound. 1 pound of gold in rupees. It's a variable නේද? අගේ වෙනස් වෙනවනේ. It's a variable. ඒ කියන්නේ price of 1 pound කියන පවුමක රත්තරන් වල මිල දවසෙන් දවස වෙනස් වෙනවා නේද? It's a variable. 11th one, the price of $1 in rupees. The price of $1 in US.
Variable.
Yes, it's variable. Now you know the dollar and rupees. It's exchange into each other. ඒවා මාරු වෙනවා නේද කට්ටියන්න. ඩොලර් දීලා රුපියල් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, රුපියල් දීලා ඩොලර් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි. එතකොට ඒකට ගෙවන මිල දවසෙන් දවස සමහර වෙලාවට විනාඩියෙන් විනාඩියටත් වෙනස් වෙනවා. හරි. The number of days in a year. The number of days in a year. It's a constant. Constant. When it's leap year, it's 366 days. But it's always a constant. Okay. The daily attendance of the children in a particular school. It's a variable or constant?
Variable.
It's a variable because the daily attendance varying about absence and leavings of schools. Okay. සමහර අය ඇස් වෙලා යනවා නේද? Some are registering. So the children's attendance of the school, it's a variable. Okay. If you finish the getting answers for these 13 questions, raise hand. Okay. I am going to the next lesson today. Constructing, it's 19. constructing algebraic expression and substituting. Can you see this box?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This box included tennis balls. Tennis balls. Do you know tennis balls? Tennis ball දන්නවද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This box included tennis ball. But we don't know its number, how many numbers of tennis ball included it. Okay. Then unknown term එකක් නම් we can use any algebraic what? Algebraic symbol. We can tell it included number of x tennis balls in this box. Okay. මේ box එකේ ඇතුලේ කීයක් tennis ball තියෙනවද? x tennis balls නේද? Okay. මේක ඇතුලේ මෙහෙම ඇති. ඇතුලේ බෝල ඔහම x කියලා ගානක් තියෙනවා. හරි? Then if it's we can add අපි මේකට පිටින් දානවා. Adding 5 tennis balls. How many numbers of how many tennis balls in the box? කීයක් තියෙනවද? x plus 5. Adding 5. Adding 5. Adding 8. x තියෙනකොට 8ක් එකතු වුණොත් how much? It's x plus කීයද? x plus 8. Adding 13 නම් x තියෙනවා ඒකට 13ක් එකතු කරමු.
X plus 13.
x plus 13. Subtract කරොත් පහක් අඩු කරනවා මම subtract. x ගානක් තියෙනවා ඒකෙන් කීයක්ද අඩු කරොත්? Subtract 5. x minus 5. Subtract 8.
X minus 8.
x minus 8. මං 13ක් අඩු කරනවා.
X minus 13.
Yes, x minus 13. Write down this example. It is subtract. Now, if you finish, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Janya, I finish.
Sir, last.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then 19.1, complete the following table. First term in the first column, second term in the second column, third column, the algebraic expression obtained by adding the first and second terms. What is the first and second terms? X plus දෙක add කරොත් මොකක්ද? X plus 10
10.
නේද? Then second row එකේ මොකක්ද? 3 plus 9.
3 plus 9 equal 12.
12. Third එක 15 plus x. The
15 plus x.
yes, 15 plus x. Can you fill other blanks?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do this. Tanya, are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. What is the y plus? It's y plus 4 නේද? Next one. N First term is n, second term is 7.
N plus 7.
N plus 7. Then
P
next,
plus 5.
p plus 5. The term of addition is now given. 6 plus y. What is the second term? Is
Y.
y. Next one is
25 is plus 5.
first term is 25. Okay. Dinara, ඔක්කොම හරිද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dihara. Okay. Janya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go into the next question. Complete the following table. First term, second term, algebraic expression obtained by subtracting the second term from the first term. What is? First term එකේ මොකක්ද කියලා තියෙන්නේ? The algebraic expression obtained by subtracting the second term from the first one. First එකෙන් second එක අඩු කරන්න කියන්නේ. X minus 2. What is the next? Second row is?
91.
Yes, it's 91. Can you fill other blanks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I finish all? Dinara? ඔක්කොම ඉවරද? දැන් raise hand කරන්න ඉවරද? What is the next algebraic expression for y minus 45?
5.
Next one is p
P
minus.
minus 100.
Yes. Next one is
32 minus x.
yes 32 minus x. Next one is
M minus 8.
m minus 8. Okay. I will give the homework. Third question to it's 8. We have to do that 1 to 8 1. Okay, that 1 to 8 1. It's your homework. Can you do it? පුළුවන් වේද? Can you try it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question what we did today? අද කරපු මොනවත් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද?
No, sir.
Okay. Dihara, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Janya?
No, sir.
Okay. එහෙනම් මම අදට ක්ලාස් එක නතර කරනවා. ඔයාලා අර next week අර items ටික ගන්න ගියේ ක්ලාස් එකේ වෙලාවට. Okay. හරි. එහෙනම් good night. Okay.
Good night, sir.
Okay.